The heart. It is a hollow muscular organ that pumps the blood through the circulatory system by rhythmic contraction and dilation. As you can see in the picture, this movement is what we call the contraction and dilation. Inside the heart are chambers. Chambers means the compartment of the heart. And let's see what are these compartments. First of all is the right atrium. The second is the left atrium. And the third is the right ventricle. And then of course the left ventricle. But these ones were also categorized into two. The upper part is what we call the upper chamber, and the lower part is what we call the lower chamber. Aside from that, we have also the blood vessels. Blood vessels are the ones that carry the blood to the different parts of the body. Alright, it looks like that. And this one has three types. These are, number one is artery. Arteries are blood vessels that carry the blood away from the heart. Next is the capillaries. Capillaries are the tiniest blood vessels. Lastly, the vein. Veins are the blood vessels that carry the blood back to the heart. Now let's see the function of the heart. Since the main duty of the heart is to pump blood to the different parts of the body, let us trace how the blood flows. First of all, the deoxygenated blood from the body enters the right atrium of the heart through the superior and inferior vena cava. As the heart continues to pump, the deoxygenated blood then enters the right ventricle and then go to the lungs, passing through this pulmonary artery. After absorbing oxygen from the lungs, the blood then enters to the heart again through these veins. And the blood goes to the left atrium. From here, it goes down to the left ventricle. And once again, it goes to the different parts of the body through the aorta. This pattern is repeated continuously, and once it stops permanently, you'll die. Okay? Now we go to common heart problems. First of all is the fainting. Fainting is the loss of consciousness, and this brings the heart level to the brain so it can easily pump blood. Next is the hypertension or high blood pressure. Blood pressure is the force exerted by the blood against the wall of the blood vessels. Lastly, heart attack. This is the interruption of blood flow to the heart due to blood clot or blocking of the artery. Once you have this one, you will feel pain and then you lose also consciousness.